Today we are continuing with the vowels. When we start, you see that we're going to have a combination of monophthong, diphthongs, and okay, what we actually have here now, we have monophthongs, we have three successive sounds also operating. So we are continuing with the vowels to continue to strengthen you on how to answer questions on vowels. So we take question number one. Question number one, what is the given word? The given word is verb. Verb. You can hear my pronunciation. The word verb. What is the sound we have there? This is it. There's a vowel. Okay? Now, having located your vowel, it becomes easier for you to pick your answer. Now, we can quickly eliminate A because it's very hard. What we have there is a diphthong. I. B is also a diphthong that has A. Then we have D, which is also a diphthong, verb, L. So you can see your answer. In fact, as soon as you are able to locate question number one, the vowel in the given word, that it is vowel number 11 becomes quite easy for you to even pick your answer without eliminating the others. Because IR in monosyllabic words are usually vowel number 11. So once you see IR in a word and it's monosyllabic, not disyllabic. In some disyllabic you can see how vowel number 11, no problem. But there are some cases where the IR may not produce that for you. So our answer therefore is option C for question number one. Question number two. Question number two. What do we have there? Flower. Flower. So the vowel we have there is three successive sounds coming together to form one sound. So owl, flower, flower. That's what we have. So what becomes our answer? Is it homely? Remember, the vowel is owl. In homely, what you find, homely has about three vowels. Homely. I think even two. Here we have a diphthong, and then here we have a monophthong. Okay? Then let's jump B and move to Mora. Mora seems quite close. In fact, you may jump to the conclusion that that is your answer because it has is similar to the given word because it has spelling OWER that the given word has. But listen to the pronunciation. The given word is flower, while option C is more. So it's triphthong as well. No, L. So what you have there is something more. So something like that. Succession of three sounds, but it's different from the given word that has our. So what about follower? Follower has the same thing with option C. L, follower, more. Now that leaves us with option B. I've heard people pronounce option B floor. It is not pronounced as floor. The word is not floor, but has exactly the same pronunciation with the given word flour. Flour for baking pastries. That's what we're talking about. It has the same pronunciation with the flour you have on plants. So that becomes our answer. In fact, it's the given word and option B are total rhymes. They have, in fact, we can call them also homophones. That is having the same sounds totally. Alright, so our answer to question number 2 is flower. Question number 3. What is the given word? The given word is factor. Factor. Okay, so what is the vowel we have there? Vowel number 12. Now, when you have the word ending in OR, if you have the word as in the given word having OR, and your stress falls on the first syllable, that is, if you have, it's a disyllabic word ending in OR, and the stress falls on the first syllable, it means the OR will likely become vowel number 12, the reduced vowel. So, having located your vowel in question number 3, we can now begin to look at our options. Now, there's something that you need to know about this vowel, this reduced vowel. Now, it doesn't appear in monosyllabic words when they appear in isolation, because it's assumed that if a monosyllabic word is standing alone, it has to be a strong form, because there are some words that have weak forms and strong forms. For example, the auxiliary verbs, you can have them when used as in sentences and they are not stressed, they have weak vowels, such as this one. So, but once they are standing alone and they are not in the sequence of a sentence, then they should be considered as strong forms. So, having said that, it means that we can easily eliminate monosyllabic words. Using that principle, we can eliminate C that has or. We can eliminate, okay, that's the only one we can eliminate, because the other 3 options have more than one syllable. So we move on now to B, truly. In the word truly, what you have there is U and E, because it's disyllabic, it has 2 vowels. Even the given word has 2 vowels, but we're concentrating on the letters underlined. Okay, so we now move to the last option, D, manier. Manier has 2 sounds as well. Then the last sound that looks like actually the vowel in that given word is actually a diphthong, manier, or it has the sound, but this time it combines with another one to give you a diphthong. So we can't consider that because it is there, it is the answer. No, because what you have here is that these 2 have formed one sound, so they can be separated to become 2 distinct sounds. So it won't serve as your answer because it doesn't have that's the vowel as the given one. What it has is the diphthong or, manier. Okay, so having said that, we now come to option C. Option C is our answer. The reason is that that sound is found in the word above. In fact, the word above is actually transcribed above. Okay, so it's 2 syllables, so it has 2 vowels, but these 2 vowels are separated in their syllables. So the schwa is starting the first syllable above. Now, why is it so? Remember that the vowel number 12 is a reduced sound, and it doesn't appear in stressed syllables. It is what you likely find in unstressed syllables. Of course, there are other sounds you can find in unstressed syllables, but it is what occurs more in unstressed syllables. So that in the word above, since the first syllable is not stressed, it becomes a schwa. So our answer is C. Question number 4, good. Now you need to be careful here, because there seem to be no very distinct rules as in many other vowels that govern this, the 2 sounds that are concerned here. That is, we're talking of either vowel number 8 and 9, the U sound. We have the short, we have the long one. Now, what differentiates them is very difficult to actually find how they behave. So in most cases, you need to commit a good number of the words as they appear into memory. But we still have some rules. It's just that they actually are not as fast as other rules governing some other vowels. So in this sound good, what is the sound, the vowel sound you have there? We have a short O. Good. Good. Now, what therefore becomes our answer? As said earlier, although the rules governing these two vowel sounds, that is short or long, are not as fast or strong as other ones, still we have rules. Now let's look at the word broom. It's difficult for the word broom to be a short vowel sound. It's actually long because while it has double O, of course you see that good has double O, then it has this nasal. In most cases, if that nasal, if the nasal comes after the O sound, it means the sound will likely be a long sound. So we have that here, and then when there is no consonant at the end of a word that has O, in most cases it will also be long. So we'll have the long one here, and then in the word whose, we also have the long one. Our answer therefore becomes book that have short, the short one. So the answer to question number 4 is D, book. Number 5. What is the given word? The given word is plait. Take note, this word is not plate as some people pronounce it. Not plate. I'm going to plait my hair. No, I'm going to plait my hair. So the sound we have there is the short R. That's what we have there. We haven't located our vowel. Now what becomes the answer? Don't hurry to pick option A, because what is the pronunciation of option A? Option A is rain, meaning that it has a rain. So it's a different vowel, not as long as the vowel in the given word. So we have taken that. Now go to option D. Now option D we can easily eliminate. Remember what I told you, that AR in the word, in the monosyllabic word, is most likely going to be the long R, the longer form of the vowel in the given word. And so what you have there is this, vowel number 5. Now that leaves us with options B and C. Options B and C. Now let's take option C. Now the rule is that when A comes before the fricatives, most likely what it produces is also the long R. So having said that, now we will now ask, what about mass? It has the same fricative coming after the letter A. Yes, option B is an exception. It has the short sound R. So you note such exceptions when you are learning. That yes, now you have this opportunity to note that although like pass has long R, class has long R, and the word mass, what you have is short R. Our answer therefore in question number 5 is option B, mass, having the same vowel sound as the word plait. Now to the exercises of today. From what we have done, I want to test you once more and see how you have improved in your identification of vowel sounds. So question 1. This is a given word. You have your options. Question 2. This is a given word. You have your options. Question 3. This is a given word. You have your options. Question 4, this is a given word, you have your options. The question 5, you have the given word and then your option.